Oh hi, welcome to AAmna's kitchen. This is Sonu and today we're gonna make mango juice. It's really hot in here and this juice is really chilling as well as it has a really good aroma. So let's just start. For this, as usual, you'll need a blender. You need about one medium sized mangoes and just put this aside. And you'll need to add about half a glass of water and about 4 tablespoons of sugar, and you'll need a bunch of ice cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, here we go. Now let's just mix it. Done. So let's just so our mango juice is ready. Let's just put it in the glasses. As you can see, it's really thick, and that's the flavor of it. And there we go. I'm having a fast, so I can't drink this right now, but it will be really delicious and very plummy. You should also try this, and if you like it, subscribe to our channel for a new video every day. And thanks for watching.